Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Decibel decibel meter. The measurement range of the sound level meter ranges from between 30 decibels and 130 decibels. Accurate to +/2.0 decibels. Real-time monitoring provides precise information on the level of sound in the vicinity. The A-weighted mimics the frequency characteristics of low-intensity human ear noises, which is appropriate for the analysis of ambient noise. The C-weighted is a model that simulates the frequency characteristics of high-intensity sounds from the ear of a human, which are appropriate for measurement of the sound pressure in machine motors and equipment. Further well-qualified measurements focus on providing users with optimal experience. The sound level gauge has the capability of converting the speed and slow response rate. The faster response rate employs the duration constant of 0.125 s/time to measure general environmental conditions. Our second best decibel meter is Top Test TS501B decibel meter. The Top Test TS501B decibel gauge uses an exact condenser microphone to record the sound. It comes with A weighting as well as C weighting capabilities that can measure noise levels ranging between 30 and 130 decibels with a precision of ±1.5 decibels. The frequency ranges between 30 and 8,000 Hz. It is ideal for monitoring the level of noise in community areas and home theaters, audio systems and workshops, automobiles as well as schools, offices, factories. The TS501B meter for sound levels can be used to measure noise levels. The measured values are measured as decibels, decibel, and shown on a 2.25-inch LCD display, which is easy to read with large display. Press the backlight button for a long time to turn on the backlight, which makes it simple to see even in dim lighting. A sound pressure, SPL, meters have max and min measurement values that represent the maximum/minimum, high/low the peak, value of the sound generated within a specified time, and also the data hold function can be used to freeze the current reading, based on the measurement of sound adequate to the individual's requirements. Third choice in our list is RisePro decibel meter. The sound level gauge can be a useful tool to check, monitor or controlling the level of sound in any setting. It is ideal for families, homes and business studies, industrial, and so on. This includes all of the features you need like data hold, maximum recorded reading, minimum recorded reading, and auto shut off. The feature that is backlit allows you to use this meter when it is dark. RisePro decibel meter is a small, user-friendly and convenient instrument to measure the quality of sound as well as monitoring and controlling sound quality at home, work traffic, school and audio systems, as well as on construction sites. This decibel meter is a perfect instrument to be used to measure the sound quality of the surrounding environment, such as the sound levels in factories and schools, workshops and offices, residential areas and airports, roads, audio, etc. It is also suitable for noise controversies and product quality control as well as health prevention and treatment. Number 4 in our side is Zircliffe decibel meter. The sound dB meter is calibrated in factory and noise measurement range of 30 to 130 dB, with a precision of ±1.5 decibels, resolution 0.1 decibels. Turn off the auto off function and the sound meter will continuously measure noise level. The sound meter comes with a backlight alarm as well as a big LCD screen, maximum and minimum noise monitor, data hold function, manual or auto power off, deactivate the auto off function. Sound level meters can continually determine the noise level, and the battery indicator decibel sound level meter is suitable for neighbor noise complaints or monitoring of noise pollution. Sound level meter portable is lightweight and compact that is easy to carry around along and operate with one hand. The Decibel Soundhound gauge is an instrument that measures the sound quality in the surrounding area, including sound levels in workshops, factories or schools, residential road audio, etc. Ideal for testing the quality of music recordings, neighbors' noise complaints or industrial setting. Last in our top 5 best decibel meter list is Lanvox sound level meter. Its Lonvox decibel meter is an accurate and long-lasting electret microphone which is capable of measuring the sound level of 30 to 130 decibels with a precision that is plus minus 1.5 decibels. The decibel meter has an A-weighted system which mimics how our ears interpret sound. The sound level meter is perfect for testing noise pollution as well as environmental decibel levels like traffic noise and baby room noise. It is also ideal for testing school noises, theater and industrial noise. The decibel meter comes with an 2.45-inch display that is backlit, and the large screen ensures the noise levels readouts are simple to comprehend. Backlighting is a feature that ensures ease of operation and clear readings in dim lighting. The decibel meter can be used for two different response rates. The fastest response is 125 milliseconds, that is the ideal speed to measure the source of sound that is composed of brief bursts. The slower response is 1 second, that is suitable to test environmental noise. This sound pressure instrument is lightweight and small in size, that makes it portable and convenient to keep in storage. The slim design allows the operation to be performed with less fatigue. A curved design guarantees the decibel meter fits in your hand comfortably. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.